Hey, good afternoon, friends. So, friends, these are my pens. And as I've said many times, I'm a collector of pens. I'm a collector of pens, and every one of these pens that you see here, I got from China. Okay? These two I got from a random Chinese vendor, and also the rest here I got them from Moji, the Japanese chain. Now, friends, today I'm going to try to draw the universe, and this is for the new series that I'm beginning. Basically, it's titled Words of My Heart. Once again, this is the beginning of a new series, and it is titled Words of My Heart. This series will feature videos, talks, programs, or ideas about poetry or of poetry, spoken words, short stories, and so on and so on and so on. And I'm going to start once again. It is the universe, not anything nice and spectacular. I'm a practicing artist, and this is just for the poetry/poem series that I'm beginning. Once again, the title is Words of My Heart. This basically is going to be the earth, and this is the map of Africa here. And then you got Europe here. Across the ponds you have the Americas. And I'm going to draw the moon right here. It is going to be a very sad moon. Now, friends, this is the moon. And basically got the flare. Technically, we all know that the moon should be much farther away from the earth. However, this is just an art piece, and basically the reason for the moon to be closer to Earth here is, one, I would say because of illusion, and also because I want to give folks the opportunity to know like what's happening here. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple of stars here. Okay, so this is what I have right now, friends. Okay, this is what I have, and I'm going to begin basically to add detail. So we all know that the Earth is the blue planet. Now, one thing I'm going to do now is I'm going to try to add colors. I'm gonna try to add some little blue green kind of color here. Yes, the Earth is a blue planet, but there are lots of greens. The sun is sad. This pen is completely finished. Completely. So I'm gonna grab another one which is about almost finished. The flare. For some reason, I thought that I do not have markers, which I actually couldn't find any, but I'm going to substitute a Sharpie instead. In this case, the Sharpie with the ink, the black ink, and with the marker pen basically gives some highlights. That's it. And part of this I haven't drawn in a long time, and also I forgot about how much detail one has to put in whenever one creates an art piece. Someone commented on my video that they want to be an artist, and I stressed to them that it's not too late, they can strive for it. Now, they do not have to be perfect, because art comes in all sizes and shapes and perfection, levels of perfection. Even myself, I'm not perfect. I used to be good. I think I was much better as an artist when I was young than I am right now as an adult. Part of this is because I did not pursue this talent. I went into something else. I mean education, but not for art. Okay, my friends, I am done. These are my pens, my markers, and my Sharpies. So please tell me what you think, and I really hope and I want to know